Agelo ba yo ka kwete place. Sila ba mo ka tuwa mau. O ka ngata ku pam. Amina. Anaka.
Nena kwatiwe nobo. Akitamba kinobo. Na maona mama bwata. Anakune wasoba. Kume vinda jundi azyo kaita bebu yingi nondu wa mwana.
Akaumiria nginya mwisho andu 100 agacokorokerio hau arikiria agacokoroka na guku iguru iwa na ciuko ingi itari njega.
The British government recognises that Kenyans were subject to torture and other forms of ill treatment at the hands of the colonial administration. The British government sincerely regrets that these abuses took place and that they marred Kenya's progress towards independence.